Your next car could be the 2019 Hyundai Veloster. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Connect with the road in cutting-edge style in this heart-pounding Hyundai Veloster. Unique three-door hatchback configuration, lively cornering, aggressive performance, and driver-focused design heighten your driving pleasure in this unconventional sport compact. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, electronic stability control, heated front seat, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats. Break out of the routine and get into this free-thinking Veloster. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.